Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to install iOS 27 Beta 1 on your device the first day it gets released. Even though I suggest you be very careful with this because of course it will have a ton of bugs, probably the battery life won't be as good, so I suggest you wait for a few feedbacks and maybe even wait for the second beta before you want to install it on your device. But if you just decide to install, in this video I will show you guys the step-by-step process on how to do this and the few very important things that you should know before you update. Of course, going through the next week we might have a release of iOS 26.6 Beta 1. Most likely it will happen this week, so that might complicate things for you, so this is what you should do. Now currently we're on iOS 26.5. I suggest that you head on to your settings, you go under general, and you go to the software update page. Make sure that you're on iOS 26.5. Once you're updated to iOS 26.5, then head on to the beta updates and make sure you have them turned off. Because if you have either the iOS 26 public beta or the dev beta selected, then you might update to iOS 26.6 by accident. That will be on beta 1, of course, most likely either this week or early next week, and that will really complicate things for you going forward and moving to iOS 27 Beta 1. So all you have to do to install iOS 27 Beta 1 on your device, make sure you're on iOS 26.5, and until it releases, make sure you have the updates turned off right here. Once the time comes, June the 8th, after the event, Apple will release the first dev beta. Then what you have to do is make sure that you have at least like around 20 gigabytes of free storage on your iPhone, and make sure that you have a device that does support iOS 27. Now, most likely the A13 devices will be dropped. The SE second generation and the iPhone 11 series will be dropped and won't be supported by iOS 27. Now, once you have the free storage and you have a device that does support iOS 27, head on back here to the beta updates. Now you will see the same things right here. You will see the public beta of iOS 26, iOS 26 dev beta, and also there will be another option right here for iOS 27 dev beta. All you have to do on this point is just select the iOS 27 dev beta, come back here, refresh the page, and of course you get the update right here. From here on, you just tap the install button and you're good to go. In a few minutes, you should have iOS 27 downloaded and installed on your device. So these are the few simple steps that you need to make sure that you follow in order to properly be prepared and also properly install iOS 27 Beta 1 on your device. Again, it will be a dev beta. The public beta will come probably around 5 to 6 weeks after the dev beta, around the third dev beta. But of course, if you just want to try it, you can go ahead and try it with the dev beta, but you need to be careful because most likely it will have quite a lot of bugs and a bad battery life. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you found it helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more iOS 27 videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.